Hello! It's a beautiful morning here in India. I hope all of you are doing good. This is the Love Charmer with another video. Yes, I've changed my name from the anonymous girl to the Love Charmer because I liked it even better. It sounds better, and why not? So, I'm officially the Love Charmer from today. And so recently you would have noticed that I've been uploading affirmations and subliminals. And why? Because I have seen super good results with those, with affirmations and subliminals. My affirmations are all one statement affirmations because these are like umbrella statements which uh, create an overall new belief system by itself, and the following thoughts will be in relation to these beliefs. So that's why I decided and made these umbrella affirmations. And why are those repeated for 108 times is 108 is a magic number. You add it together, it comes up to 9. Yeah, and every mantra, every ancient mantra, reciting it 108 times or 1008 times has been the rule for every mantra to work. So that is why my affirmations are all in mantra style. So today's video, I'm going to talk about negative thoughts. In this current situation, in this, all these pandemic and things going on, and the economic problems going on, we have negative thoughts related to everything, about money, about relationships, about our future, about our jobs and whatnot. We have negative thoughts about everything. So what happens is, the more we concentrate on negatives, as we say, the our thoughts, when it's focused on the negatives, we manifest only the negatives back in our life. So how do we get rid of these negative thoughts? Because negative thoughts are so very attractive that we tend to think negative. Uh, how much ever effort we put, negative thoughts are more attractive. Okay, so that is what to say. It is an innate nature of the human being, because negative thoughts are like a threat. So we tend to react to it. While positive thoughts, our reaction towards positive thoughts are very less. Okay, so one easy tip to overcome these negative thoughts. Trust me, this is a very, very, very easy step. The moment you identify yourself with a negative thought, the moment you catch yourself having a negative thought, all you have to do is pause and breathe. Yes, pause and breathe. Pause for a minute, inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Do it 4 5 times. That is all that is required. You know why? The moment you breathe, there is more oxygen supplied to your brain. Okay? Before that, when you're tensed up, when you have negative thoughts, and when you have all these anxiety and things going on, there's very less oxygen going to your brain. And what happens is, our thoughts are like cycles. These negative thoughts keep coming, like cycles. It never stops. The more cycles you go, the more cycles these thoughts run, the more stronger they become, and the more harder it becomes to break these cycles. Okay, so what happens when you breathe is, you you give fresh oxygen supply. Okay, and the moment you breathe, your thoughts, trust me, your thoughts become positive. All your negative thoughts run away, because you have a clear vision of your thoughts, you have a clear idea of what's going on inside your head, and your thoughts become more positive. That is the magic of breath. Our whole life we live with our breath. That's the magic of our breath. So the moment you catch yourself having a negative thought, pause for a moment and take deep breaths. 4 or 5 breaths, that's all is required. Just like how these negative thoughts become cyclic, the moment you breathe, the moment you give more oxygen supply to your brain starts with one positive thought, one positive thought, and that one thought is going to lead to another. Or at least you end up having a positive lookout at the events that are happening or at the situation. Once you've done the breathing and you energized yourself, and when you feel more positive, or just after breathing, you notice yourself in a better state. So at this point, what you can do is, whatever your negative thought was, so let's say you think you're not good enough for this job, after breathing, you tell to yourself, no, I am good enough for this job. I am qualified to do this job. I can do a good, um, what I can be good at this job. So you put out positive statements like that to reinforce your whole breathing exercise. But breathing is very important. And in the comment section, give me your feedback. Tell me how it has worked for you. Share your story with me. I would like to hear from you all. Please like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. I am going to be giving you a lots and lots of easy tips that are practical and working, and it has 100% success rates. So I hope you all have a lot of positive thoughts in the future. Love you all. Thank you.